So you have a great idea for a local event. There are two ways to post your idea. You can create your idea anonymously by going to the menu, Ideas, and Create. If you create an idea anonymously, you won't be able to edit or delete it later. In this video, we'll go ahead and register an account before creating our event idea. To create a basic account would be to attend an event. If you'd like to host an event, you'd go ahead and create a provider account. So to start, we'll go ahead and pick a username, an email, we'll pick a password, and make sure you pick a password that's not used on any other sites and doesn't have any identifiable information in there that people might be able to guess. And we'll just confirm that password. And to go ahead and prove that we are human, we'll go ahead and select some images. In this case, we'll select images that have text or numbers. Looks like we passed. After we click sign up, we'll receive an email confirmation, and once we click on that link, we will be activated. See you in the next video.